What is applied AI? Well, I've talked before about the different phases of technology in contact center AI, starting with legacy technology like touchtone IVRs and click bots and simple notifications, into classic conversational AI, which combines speech recognition, voice biometrics, and systems that say, how can I help you, and route to the right place, with some more legacy tech like directed dialogue and using recorded voices to make the system seem really on brand and human-like. And then there's a third phase, generative AI, which has a lot of overlap with these previous two phases, but has some new capabilities too in terms of answering questions, more nuanced dialogues, reasoning over structured and unstructured data, and translation and summarization capabilities, which together, done in the right way, can lead to contact center AI that has emergent capabilities that go beyond the details of the programming. And this is super exciting. But I've warned before, don't be an AI snob. All of these different technologies can and do contribute to ROI in the contact center. And that's why we coined the term applied AI. The focus isn't on which AI tech are you using. Is one AI tech better than the other? It's about leveraging all of the different AI tech at our disposal to deliver maximum ROI. But make no mistake, we do believe that over time, with the maturation of generative AI, the experiences you build for your customers will be less scripted and will involve more reasoning, so that the automated interactions your customers have are much more nuanced. The virtual agents you deliver with applied AI will be much more helpful, and you'll be able to deploy them faster and more cheaply because you won't have to code every single capability. But ultimately, we're not here to be snobs about what AI technology we're using. We're here to deliver great experiences for your customers using the right technology for the right use case. And ultimately, everything that guides us should be ROI, return on your investment in AI technology to deliver better customer experiences, lower costs, and drive revenue through happier customers, deeper relationships, and customer retention.